Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Fort Wayne, where we talk all things outdoor living. Kicking off Season 3, I'm with Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, and today we're talking about sloped yards and multi-level decks that actually work. If your yard isn't flat, it can be easy to think, we can't do much back there. But sloped yards often have great potential. The key is to design the deck, stairs, and any lower patios to follow the grade, not fight it. We start by looking at the height of the back door compared to the yard. If the back door is high above the ground, a raised deck almost always makes sense for that first level. That gives you a clean walkout space at the door. From that upper deck, we can then step down with stairs to a lower deck or a patio that fits where the yard begins to flatten. The structure underneath changes as the ground falls away. Posts get longer, footings get more important, and lateral bracing becomes critical. You don't want a tall, wobbly deck. We plan deeper, properly spaced footings and diagonal bracing so the structure feels solid even at full height. Stairs and landings tie the levels together. On a big slope, running one long stair straight down can feel steep and awkward. Breaking the stairs with a landing lets you turn, rest, and change direction. That landing might connect to a small mid-level deck or a path that leads to another area of the yard. Planning those connections early keeps the whole layout easy to use. We also think about where to switch from deck to patio. Sometimes the best answer is a raised composite deck off the house and a concrete or paver patio at ground level, connected by a wide stair and a landing. Composite materials from brands like Trex can give you a low-maintenance upper level, while the patio handles fire pits, heavy furniture, or even an outdoor kitchen down below. Railings and guardrails play a big role on sloped yards. The higher you go, the more important rail height, spacing, and strength become. Stairs on slopes also need solid handrails and clear lighting so people feel confident using them at night. At Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, we treat sloped yards as design opportunities. We look at how you want to move from the house to the far edge of the yard and build a plan that supports that path. You can reach our team at 260-254-7979 or visit toughdeckbuildersfortwayne.com if you'd like help turning a tricky slope into a set of strong, usable outdoor levels. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Fort Wayne. A sloped yard doesn't have to be wasted space. With the right plan, it can become one of the best features of your property. We'll talk again on the next episode.